Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to update graphics card 2025. First open your browser and type NVIDIA app into the search bar. Click on the first link that appears and then click download now. Once the download is complete, open your downloads folder and run the installer. The installation process might take a little time depending on how fast your hardware is. After the installation finishes, the NVIDIA app will open. Here you can view your games and applications. To update your drivers, click on the Drivers tab. You'll see two types of drivers available. Game-ready drivers are mainly focused on providing the best possible performance for the latest video games. Studio drivers, on the other hand, prioritize stability and reliability for tasks like video editing while still supporting general applications and gaming. In my case, I prefer installing the studio drivers for better stability. Once you select the driver type, click download, and after the download finishes, click install. During installation, you'll get two options. If your display has built-in speakers, simply choose Express Installation. However, if you're like me and use a headset connected directly to the motherboard, you likely don't need the NVIDIA HD audio drivers. In that case, select Custom Installation, uncheck the HD audio driver option, and proceed with the installation. The installation will take a few minutes to complete. That's it.